sure if we can have it like 1, 2. This part has to be pulling it, right? So that it's taut. So today we have Clement from Clamps and Braces, and he's gonna work some miracle here. We're gonna install a new curtain so I can do portraits and life figures in this background and not have it so distracting with these things.
So I'm an occupational therapist. I work with a social worker and we bring woodworking to people, to youth at risk, to seniors, or to anybody who benefit from the therapeutic effects of woodworking. So things like self-esteem, sense of achievement, to be being fully occupied with some skills that they can go on to find work, like for youth at risk. I also do customized furniture and conduct workshops as well for the general public.
So I'll be leaving all his information, Instagram, Facebook, etc. down where the description box is, so do check that out. Yeah, this is definitely work for a cause. What are some of the things that you make, like furniture-wise?
Okay, the style of furniture that I do is a green style by the Green Brothers. So they were a pair of architects in 1901. It was a hybrid of Asian and American style. So that's what I do. But I also do a mid-century as well. Okay? Depending on what are the therapeutic goals that I needed, or where is good place.
And we have Raymond to assist too, so that's totally awesome. I leave it all to them. Folks, it does take a village to raise a kid. Voila! Alright, that's a wrap. Well done, guys. I'm so impressed. So the studio is ready for model and figure painting. I'm really happy. This is 1 year after opening the studio. Thanks, guys. I'm really impressed by the work that Clamps and Braces did. It was a setup or contraption that they have not seen before, but they executed it perfectly. As I get this studio up and running, this is probably the last section of the studio in which I want to get ready for a very long time already. But it's just that I've been in and out and doing other projects and all that has not allowed me or not given me the time to do so, but now it's done. So hey, thanks guys! I am so excited I can do model work over here right now in the studio.